Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify health insurance premium deduction for self-employed in Stride. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Stride account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Insurance tab on the side menu. Click on the Insurance tab to access your insurance details. Next, find the section labeled Premium Deductions. In this section, you will see a list of your current health insurance plans. Locate the plan you want to verify for premium deductions. Check the premium amount displayed next to your selected plan. If applicable, review any changes that may have occurred since your last check. Now, click on the View Details or Manage Plan option for further information. Verify that all your premium deductions are accurately reflected. If you notice any discrepancies, take note of the details. To rectify any issues, contact Stride's customer support. You can find their contact information in the Help section. Ensure you have your account details ready for a smoother process. Once your issues are resolved, return to the Premium Deduction section. Recheck to confirm that everything is now accurate. Congratulations! You have successfully verified your health insurance premium deductions in Stride. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.